Hi guys, my name is Skylar, and I'm going to be walking you through how to set up your saxophone small instrument. First thing we're going to want to do is have the saxophone on the floor at our feet, making sure that the Yamaha label, or whatever label it is facing upwards. So we open the saxophone correctly. Next, what we're going to want to do is grab the reed and begin soaking it. Throughout this process, you would be soaking your reed, but for the purposes of me talking, I'm going to set this to the side. You're going to want to grab mouthpiece with the ligature and the neck. First thing we're going to do is set the ligature in a safe place or on our lap if there's not a safe place near us. And now we're going to put the mouthpiece on the neck. Now, before you do that, you have to be aware of this octave key right here. It's a very important, very delicate piece. If you just grab on the grab on the neck and put the mouthpiece on, it's going to bend, and that will be bad because that will cost money. So the correct way to grab this, or a safe way to grab this, is to grab not on the octave key, right next to it, near the upper part up here. If you grab down here, there's not a lot of good space to grab onto. So right here, being sure not to mess with the octave key, you're going to take the mouthpiece and gently twist back and forth, pushing on. And you should get about 2/3 of the way or 3/4 of the way through the cork. Okay, now that we have the mouthpiece on the neck, we're going to take the ligature and put it on the mouthpiece. The open facing, if you can see that, the open facing should be facing you, with the screws facing you as well. You're going to grab the reed that you've been soaking, and we're going to push up slightly on this and put our reed down. We're going to line up the reed, making sure that the tip of the reed is lined up with the tip of the mouthpiece. It shouldn't be too high or too low. It should be right even with it. Make sure that you're not looking at it like this, because there's no way to tell if you're doing it right. So looking at it like this, lining it up, you're going to tighten the bottom screw and then tighten the top screw. All right, now we're going to work on embouchure. So taking the small instrument, we are going to first sit tall. We're going to have our head high, not slouched. We're going to bring the small instrument to our face. For the mouth, you should have your lip over your bottom teeth and the top teeth just normal. So it should look like this. This creates a little platform for the mouthpiece to rest on. So, bringing the small instrument to our face, going to go like that. And top teeth are on the top. The platform is on the bottom, our little cushion. When you close your mouth, you want to make an ooh sound. When you do this, it creates a firm embouchure, but nothing tense. So on the platform, and then ooh. When you have the mouthpiece, you need to make sure that it's not like this or like that. You need to have it slightly lower than parallel to the ground. And I believe that is everything. All right, thank you so much for listening to this tutorial, walkthrough, and have a great day.